Well, it's Caroline here, and I'm not sure how much you'll be able to hear because it is very windy and cold today and does feel like it's going to snow. But I'm just filming what may possibly be one of the last Wednesdays I'm here with my volunteer, and it's definitely the end of an era. Everything's looking very sparse and done diddly, and the moving it up north bit is coming, so I'm just filming this so that I remember what I had. So there's so much here from other people's gardens and generously donated, and just I'm super thrilled that everything's growing, and thank you to everybody. And so I bought 2 fleeces for the citrus. I'm not sure how much they're going to be protected in that really open space there, or unprotected space, but they're definitely going to get better treatment when we get up north. So there we are, that was it, just a very quick video to say it's almost time to leave this farm, and yeah, I'm very grateful for the opportunity it's afforded me, and just super excited to get where I'm going and start putting some of these wondrous plants into the ground. Okay, lots of love to you all.